Hello everyone, this is Satvik, and this video will be discussing about a cool tool which helps you in generating password word lists. So without getting any delay, let's dive into the video. Guys, first of all, really thank you for all your support. If you want to connect to me personally, you can check out my Twitter, and if you want to be part of my community, you can check out my Discord. All the links are in the description below. And if you end up liking this video, make sure you like it and do subscribe for more amazing content like this. So guys, in the past we covered few tools which helps you in generating a password word list. So password word list is where you can use to crack some hashes or do some kind of brute force or whatever it is. So this is one of the good tool, and the installation part is pretty simple. So you can find, I'll provide the link for this in the description below. You can do check them out from there. So the process of installation is like this. So pip3 install and bopscrk. So I don't know whether to pronounce this name or not. And also guys, all the credit goes to the developer of this tool. So and also here in the installation part they gave like pip, but if you do pip, it by default takes pip2 and gives you some error. So pip3 install and bopscrk is the fine. So now once it is installed, so you can do bopscrk hyphen help. So you have a cool options here. So there is one cool option, like you have some options like the words to combine. Okay, so some other words, if you want, you can provide the minimum length and the maximum length. The case, so case transformation in the sense like a capital and small, something like that. Lead in the sense like it tries to exchange with some kind of characters like numbers or something like that. So maximum amount of words to combine at each other, so you can define that. If you have any artists, so if your target might have like some artists like Maroon 5 or Justin Bieber or something like that, you can just put it out there. And you can specify some other stuff, but here there is an option called as -I. So I'll show you why this is cool. So bopscrk and option -I. If I do something like this, so it will be asking, it is going to be something like an interactive shell. Okay, so you can provide the minimum length. So let us assume that the minimum length is 4, so and the maximum length is 6 for the time being. Okay, so the first name, for example, let's assume it's like Justin. Okay, and the surname will be something like Martin. So for example guys, okay, don't try to look for them. So Martin, and there is no last name, for example. So hit enter, so you can enter the birth date, so if you know that. So 04/05/1998, for example. And artist names, like if you have anything in your mind, or if like something like that. So not only the artist, like not only the song artist, like you can mention some other names like his pet name or something like that here. So let's give something like Scooby, or let's give something like Iron Man. Let's give something like Daredevil. Let's give something like, you need to, if you have multiple, you need to give a comma separated. So Naruto, like some names like that. Okay, so Batman, for example. Okay, and hit enter. So some other relevant words, so same like this, you can provide some names like this, like Satvik, for example, and hackers ploy, for example. Okay, just for time being. So do you want to make lead transformations, like it will try to replace some kind of letters with some kind of special characters like numbers, or some kind of special characters like at the rate, some stuff like that. You can hit Y. Case transformations, yes. How much word you want to combine at most, so let's give, by default it is 2. You can hit enter. So output, yeah, you can hit enter. So it tries to look for a lot more stuff. So Daredevil lyrics, in the sense like it tries to combine a lot more stuff. That's it. Okay, so if I go to something like cat tmp.txt, so you can see it is trying to like you can see lyrics, in the sense like it is trying to look for all the combination. That's it, nothing more than that. You can see Martin, it is written in like some different ways here. So Naruto, something like names like that. Okay, so the date of birth, it is combined in such a way like this. So that is it, guys. Like I generated a small word list. You can see 400 stuff there. So is it 400? So cat temp.txt, and let's see the word count. So it's 407, but because the length that I given is like minimum length is 4 and the maximum length is 6. But if you keep on increasing the length for like more stuff, so you can get like more number of word count. Okay, so once you get this, so you can try to do lot of attacks. Like let us assume that you're doing some kind of Wi-Fi hash cracking, you can use it there. Like using of password word list, the opportunities are endless. Okay, you can do some kind of a brute force attack, you can do a lot more stuff like that. So guys, that is it for this video. So if you really end up liking this video, make sure you like it and do share with the friends who are really interested in this stuff. And this is Satvik signing off, and I'll meet you in the next video. Thank you.